Okay, so as I'm slowly approaching 100,000 subscribers, I would like to ask you for help. And no, it's not what you think. I mean, yes, if you watch my videos and you haven't subscribed, that would be great if you can do that. But my question is different. I would like to ask you, I would like to see all the projects that you have made that might be either based on my projects or inspired by my projects. Or maybe you have seen someone else making a project that looks similar to mine. In any case, it would be great if you can send it to me, to my email, which is here on the screen right now. And you can include photos, videos, project details, links, anything that you think might be beneficial, anything you would like to share. And I would like to see those projects and perhaps share them with all of you and perhaps get a sense and understand if you are just watching my videos or if my videos inspire you enough to go out and make something. Because ultimately, that's the point of my videos. That's why I'm recording videos, not just for you to watch, but for you to try on your own. So thank you if you decide to send me something. Of course, thank you very much if you are already subscribed or if you have just subscribed. Thank you very much for watching my videos and I hope to see you soon. Thanks and bye.